Hello, welcome back. So we've got one link added so far, and we need to get rid of these updates to our nav bar because we only want that link to look like this, and then the nav bar should have its own style. So this is for some reason bleeding into the nav bar coding. So how do we fix that? Well, we set it to identify itself only to the table content down here, which is TD. Remember, up here is TH, and then down here is TD. And so we add TD at the beginning here, and then TD right here, and again TD right there, TD right here. Control save. When we refresh, you can see that that style is only here, and we have our regular style that we set up earlier for the nav bar right here. Okay, so let me expand that. We're actually going to expand this table a little bit more to make space for more things here. Oh, it's actually in this one. Okay. So that's one table row. And I'm just going to quickly copy and paste right here to make multiple table rows. And we can just change the content as we go along here. So now we have all these table rows available. And this does not look good on the side there, so let's get rid of all that. We're going to go up here. Actually, it's in the body. It should be down here. Okay, so all these paragraphs right here. Let's just delete all that. Save that. And now this stuff right here. So hello world. Actually, no, I'll leave that. I'll leave that so we can style it. No, never mind. Yeah, let's get rid of that. Get rid of the hello world. So header 2, header 3, all these headers. And we'll just get rid of this. And get rid of that paragraph. Control S, save. Okay. Now get rid of those comments there. Save that. There. So that's what it looks like so far. Looks pretty good. So let's go into how to add an image here. So if you follow me to W3 Schools, we can see an example under Image Gallery, CSS Image Gallery, right here, how to add it into the code. So you do image, source image. So this is going to be the link, your source link to the image. And then alt is going to be the identifier that you give it. And then the size, so width and height. So I'm just going to do, let's say, oh, actually, let's see, images, photos. Actually, I'll do one of my channel images here. So let's say I want to do just my profile image, download that, save image as, and then save it into my photos, my photo gallery. Another tutorial channel. Okay, so there it is on the tutorial channel. And if I want to add an image here, I'll go to one of my cells here for that table. So let's see, that's the first row, second row, we could go right here. And instead of a link, we could do image source equals image underscore, well, so the source actually has to be the path to it, wherever you have it. So I'm going to go into my pictures real quick, or gallery. Yeah, I put it into my gallery here. And right click on it. Show more options, properties. And then right over here, we can see the location. So make sure you include the entire path. Another tutorial channel. So paste. Another tutorial channel. .jpg, I believe. Control save. And let's refresh this. There it is. So actually, don't have to give it any name here. I mean, I could give it a name. Go on the bottom. But the identifier is used for that, so let's do that right now. It's going to be the alt. So alt, another tutorial channel. Width, let's set a width to 500 pixels. Height, set that to 500 pixels. And then right up here, we need to do a, so a target equals, I'll just leave that blank right now, href equals, and href, if you remember correctly, is a link. So we're adding a link to the image right here. So if for some reason you wanted to redirect someone somewhere else, if you want the image to be like a button image, then right up here you would have the link to wherever you want them to be redirected to. Okay, so that's how it sits in the code. We control save, refresh this. We can see it is now a clickable link. And it has the same style as this button here. That's mainly because of the A there, TDA, because we applied that style to every TDA, if you can see right over here, TDA. So it's going to apply that to every image. That's an added bonus. Gives it a little bit more of something to look at. It makes it more interactive, is what I mean. So now we have that set up, and as we go on, we could add more things here. So I'm going to make a video on one thing at a time for like different things that we could add to our page here. So over here we could have like a drop down. Over here we could have like a paragraph, a descriptor, whatever you want to add. Over here we could have a video, all sorts of things. Alright, I'll catch you in the next video. See you later. Bye.